It took them only 100 days to build a fully functional Tesla Cybertruck, all made out of wood. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Talk about DIY. A father and son from Vietnam built their own version of the futuristic electric pickup truck that Elon Musk unveiled in 2019. The vehicle is constructed from wood right down to the seats, carved hubcaps, and adjustable wing mirrors. The only things that are not wood, the metal frame and the electronics. They also added working lights and even a Light Up X logo on the door. The best part is that it looks almost identical to the real Cybertruck, except for the color and the texture, that is. The dad is a fan of Elon Musk and Tesla and has gotten already Musk's attention in social media by writing, "I hope to have the honor of gifting this wooden Cybertruck to you and Tesla." Well, Musk replied to that saying, "Sure, much appreciated." Then he added a heart emoji. Quick tips right here at cyberguy.com. That's where you could also get my free newsletter.